Welcome friends, myself Nikam Komal Vaijinath. Today's my seminar topic is plasma membrane and discuss about plasma membrane ultrastructure. Contents: Introduction of plasma membrane, history, model of plasma membrane, first fluid mosaic model, second unit membrane model, third sandwich model, chemical composition of plasma membrane, function of plasma membrane, cellular junction. Introduction: The plasma membrane encloses every type of cell, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. It physically separates the cytoplasm from the surrounding cellular environment. It is a ultra-thin 8 to 10 nanometer elastic, living, dynamic and selectively permeable barriers. It controls the entry and exit of molecules, ions, and generate difference in ion concentration between the interior and exterior of the cell. History: The term cell membrane was coined by C. Nageli and C. Kramer in 1855. In 1895, Charles Overton suggested that plasma membrane is composed of lipid. In 1920, further study on plasma membrane showed that the lipid must be phospholipid. In 1925, E. Gorter and G. Grendel proposed that plasma membrane is composed of phospholipid bilayer. Structure of plasma membrane. Function of plasma membrane: First, protective in function, formation outermost boundary of the cell. Second, digestive in function, take in food and extract waste product. Selectively permeability, help in transport across the membrane. Contains cell surface receptor. Example: glycoprotein receptor present on RBCs. Fifth, cell adhesion molecule present on the plasma membrane of certain cell play an important role in the process of inflammation. Sixth, junction helps in information of various type of junction and adhere and ensuring along with the help of cytoskeleton element. Chemical composition: Plasma membrane consists of three major components: first lipid, second protein, third carbohydrate. For example, the plasma membrane of human RBCs contain protein 52%, lipid 40%, carbohydrate 8%. Lipid. Four major classes of lipid are: first, phospholipid, most abundant; second, sphingolipid; third, glycolipid; fourth, sterols, example cholesterol. All of them are amphipathic molecule possessing both hydrophobic and hydrophilic dominance. Proteins. According to their position in the plasma membrane, the proteins fall to main categories: integral or intrinsic proteins, these span the membrane; peripheral or extrinsic proteins, these are more on one side or the other of membrane. Carbohydrate, they are present as a short, unbranched or branched chain of sugar attach their ectoproteins forming glycoprotein or to the polar end of phospholipid at the external surface of plasma membrane forming glycolipids. Model of plasma membrane. First fluid mosaic model. In 1972, S. J. Singer and G. L. Nicholson suggested the widely accepted fluid mosaic model. According to this model, plasma membrane contains a biomolecular layer, both surfaces of which are interrupted by protein molecules. Protein occur in the form of globular molecule and they are dotted about here and there in a mosaic pattern. Unit membrane model. In 1960, Robertson proposed the unit membrane model. This hypothesis states that all cellular membranes have an identical trilaminar structure, dark, light, dark. Sandwich model. It is proposed by Danieli and Dialson in 1935. In this model, a lipid bilayer was coated on its either side with proteins. Mutual attraction between the hydrocarbon chain of the lipid and electrostatic force between the protein and head of lipid were through to maintain the stability of the membrane. The predicted the lipid bilayer to be about 6.0 nanometer in thickness and each of the proteins layer of about 1.0 nanometer thickness, giving a total thickness of about 8.0 nanometer. Thank you.